Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. But Maria, some people feel the rain. Let the rain kiss you. Let the rain beat upon your head with silver liquid drops. Let the rain sing you a lullaby, Lansdowne Hughes. Rain is just confetti from the sky, unknown. Rain is just confetti from the sky, unknown. The sound of rain needs no translation. Ellen Watts. The sound of rain needs no translation. Ellen Watts. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Baby, and green. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. Rain showers my spirit and waters my soul. Emily Logan descends. Rain showers my spirit and waters my soul. Emily Logan descends. Rainy days should be spent at home with a cup of tea and a good book. Feel water sound. Rainy days should be spent at home with a cup of tea and a. I love the smell of rain, and I love the sound of the ocean waves. Aid me, buddy. I love the smell of rain. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. The rain fell like crystal, and that only comes when you're not expecting it, and the whole world goes silent. Sarah, the sound. The rain fell like crystal, and that only comes when you're not. Rain is grace. Rain is the sky descending to the earth. Without rain, there would be no life. A rainy day is a special gift to readers and me and my eyes. A rainy day is a special gift to readers and me and my eyes. I love the smell of rain and the feeling of walking through a misty forest. Rainy days bring out the best in me, and no, the rain began again. It fell heavily, easily, with no meaning or intention but the fulfillment of dates. The rain plays a late out, sleeps on a roof at night, and I love the rain. Let drops. Let the rain sing you all a lullaby, Lansdowne Hughes. The rain began again. It fell heavily, easily, with no meaning or intention but the fulfillment of